This makes me want to go someplace warm.
It's just something we need to keep an eye on. Remember, the key word is balance.
Speaking of balance, how about we pick up the pace a little here?
Speaking of picking up, we have new recycling challenges, you know? I mean, what's a person to do if they get a new cell phone plan and it includes a new phone? What do we do with the old one? Many communities are reprogramming them for the elderly to be used for emergency calls.
Same thing with old computers and televisions. Check with your local retailer, recyclers, and computer builders websites.